Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the natural treatment for obesity, weight loss and hernia in our health problems and natural remedies. This is how it follows: list of concoctions or decoctions, diet plan with millets, exercise, and what to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay. Next, coming to the decoctions, paper leaves, you have to take 2 to 3 leaves to make decoction. Betel leaves, 1 or 2 leaves to make decoction. Okay, not more. Cumin seeds, take roughly 15 to 20 seeds to make decoction. Bermuda grass, take 4 leaves to make decoction. Indian date palm leaves, take 1 or 2 leaves to make decoction. Okay. Turmeric bulb or turmeric sticks, take only small piece of turmeric stick to make decoction. Okay. uh, if you do not find turmeric stick, you can use organic turmeric powder. Okay, to make decoction, take only half spoonful to make decoction, right? So this is the schedule of decoctions or concoctions. First week paper leaves, second week betel leaves. You have to remove the uh, petiole, this part of the leaf, this part of the leaf. Okay, this you have to remove. Okay, while making decoction. Third week cumin seeds, fourth week Bermuda grass, fifth week Indian date palm leaves or wild date palm leaves, sixth week turmeric bulbs preferably, otherwise turmeric powder. Okay, and you have to repeat the sequence after the sixth week. Seventh week you will go back to paper leaves again. And if you do not find any one or two of the above leaves, you can still continue with the remaining leaves. Okay, let's say you do not get Bermuda grass. In the fourth week itself, you can use wild date palm leaves. Okay, like that. 45 minutes to 1 hour gap is needed between the decoction and the next meal. Okay. Coming to the diet with millets, little millets for 3 days. Okay, if you are having 3 meals per day, eat have all the 3 meals with little millets only. Okay, that means you can have curries or you can have homemade curd, not dairy product, homemade curd or homemade yogurt you can have. Okay, but you shouldn't consume rice or wheat products. You should consume only products made up of little millets, whole little millets. Okay, for all the 3 meals. If you're having only 2 meals per day, have those 2 meals with little millets only. Kodo millet for 3 days, barnyard filler millet for 1 day, foxtail millet for 1 day, brown top millet for 1 day. So this is the diet plan. Eat these millets alternatively for this 9-day schedule and repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. If this if that is hernia, okay, or otherwise uh, your weight has been reduced till the weight reduction has done. Till that you have to continue, and no rice, no wheat or no bread till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils. Okay, for cooking. How to cook millets? Here you can cook it like rice or make millet porridge. How to cook it like rice? Add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Okay. Coming to the millet porridge, use either granulated millets or whole millets. Okay, add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. If you want to make it more watery, you can add 10 glasses of water as well. Soak it for 8 hours, and once sorry, cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Okay. Once it is cooled down, you can tie the top using a cotton cloth and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours, and then you can have it. Okay. If it is summer, keep it only for 6 to 7 hours. Okay. Right. Coming to the most important part, exercise. This is must. You have to walk daily. Okay. If you cannot walk for 1 hour in a day in the first day itself, walk for 15 minutes. Slowly increase the time, make it 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, like that. Every week you increase the walking time. Okay, up to 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. That is your wish. Okay, but 1 hour is minimum a day you should walk. How fast you walk, that doesn't matter, but how much time you walk, that really matters. Okay, so I advise you to increase the walking time slowly day by day. Okay, all right. Coming to the foods to avoid, all milk and all dairy products you should avoid, like I said earlier. Rice and wheat products also you should avoid. You shouldn't consume refined oils. Okay, and sugar and jaggery also you shouldn't consume. Okay, in place of sugar and jaggery, you can have palm jaggery, dates, and 100% pure honey. Even in the decoctions, if you cannot take them as it is, you can add palm jaggery in it. Okay, you should avoid wheat powder and refined wheat powder, tea, coffee, all bakery products, all polished millets or refined millets you should avoid. You should take only whole millets, okay, whole grains. Non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, and all ready-to-eat foods you have to avoid. Let's see how to make decoction using any one of the leaves or seeds mentioned above. Okay. Hi guys. Today we are going to look at turmeric decoction. Okay. You can either use this turmeric stick or turmeric bulb or turmeric powder, but it is better to use turmeric stick. Why? Because you do if you go to market and buy turmeric powder, you don't know if something is mixed in it or not. Okay. So it is always preferable to have this turmeric bulb or turmeric stick. Okay. Now we are going to break it. This much is not required to make decoction, so I am going to cut small piece out of it. Okay, I will show that piece also. Yeah, this much is sufficient to make decoction. Okay, uh, now you need to break this into small pieces, or you can grind it as well. Okay, not completely like powder, just grind it once. That means if you are using a mixer, rotate it for 1 or 2 times. That much is sufficient. Okay, I will show you after grinding. Okay, watch it here. This much is sufficient. We just made it into small pieces, as you can see, the pieces. Okay, small pieces like this. Okay, now let's go to the procedure of making a decoction or concoction. Yes, I kept 250 to 280 ml of water inside the vessel. Okay, now I'm going to switch on the stove. Okay, once it gets boiled a little bit, then I will add this grinded turmeric stick in it. Okay, let's switch on the stove. Yes, you can see here the water bubbles begin to show. Okay, in the inside the water. Now you can add the grinded turmeric stick. Okay, now I'm going to add, and I'm going to keep the vessel closed by keeping the lid. Okay, right, you have to do everything in a low flame, not very low flame, but not medium flame, but low flame. Okay, right. Yes, it just got boiled up. Okay, I kept it for around 3 minutes. So you can keep it for 3 to 4 minutes roughly. Okay, after the boiling part, you have to keep this one aside for again 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, uh, by keeping lid closed. Right. Yes, the time is over. Three minutes is over. Now we are going to filter it using a filter. Okay. Let's see it here in the filter. How we need to filter. Just drop that water through the filter. All the large particles will not appear in the appear in your final decoction. Okay, which are not necessary anyway. Right. Now you can remove the filter, and this you have to drink sip by sip, slowly. Okay, very slowly. Fine. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.